Hello guys, first we will learn basic pillars of rigging, then we will go to rig character with Rigify. First one is perfect, which we will use for comparison. Other three pillars are problems and we will learn how to fix them. Last one is practical pillar on which we will do experiment. Okay, our first problem of pillar is straight bones, which causes snapping problem when IK is applied. Our computer is fool, we have to tell him properly like Drax from Guardian of Galaxy, he only understand the straight language. Here also applied the same concept. We have to give bones little bit bend shape. So when IK is applied on bones, our computer will immediately understand which way to bend. Our second problem is bone roll. This occurs direction problem. This happens when bone is rotate in different direction during adding bones into mesh. In global axis rotation it will not be seen any problem, but when you switch in local axis where the big problem occurs. You can clearly see the problem in video. It will not give proper realistic direction that we want. So, how we fix the bone roll problem? First we will take the direction reference from perfect pillar. To do that, go to green running like icon, then go to viewport display panel and tick mark the axis box. Now you will see the direction of bones. Then select the roll tool from your left hand side panel. Then you will see the circle. Hold right click on it and rotate the bone in perfect direction. By seeing the direction of perfect pillar bones. This how you can fix the bone roll problem easily. In our third pillar we will learn how to fix weights of the mesh. Okay, what is weight? It is the influence given for each bone to rotate specific parts of mesh. You will see in the video. To go to weight paint or influencing bones mode, first select the bones and then select the mesh in object mode. Then pressing Ctrl you can select the bone individually. And you can also rotate the bone and move bone in real time. That's cool. You can see here clearly that some part is not influenced by top bone. Okay, what the hell is influence? In English, influence means the power or capacity of causing an effect in indirect. To fix this, go to left hand side draw tool. And you can also see different influence giving brush. There is also subtract brush, by which you can remove the influence. To add the influence, select the add brush and paint the influence. Now we will do the fun part. The practical. We will do practical by keeping all problems in mind, by this we can improve. So first thing first, I want to tell you where to put the joint of two bone in mesh. Put the joint where we want our mesh to bend. Simple. Okay, now select the bones and go to edit mode and select the joint between two bones. And bend bone little bit. Our first problem is solved. Next, checking bone roll. In this our bone roll is perfect. But if it is not, then you can go to edit mode and tweak the bone roll. Next, we will apply the weight to the mesh. First select the mesh and then holding shift select the armature or bones. Then press Ctrl+P and choose automatic weight. This will give automatic influence to mesh. If influence is not proper, you can draw the influence by going in weight paint mode. Okay guys, we have successfully rigged the pillar. Next we will rig the character with Rigify. This is our character guys. First add the armature. Okay, now what is exactly the armature means? Whole pairs of bones attached together and form the skeleton. This whole pairs of bones is called armature in single words. To activate the add-on, go to edit, then go down to preference. Then select add-on, then search for Rigify in your tick mark and activate the Rigify. Okay, now add Meta Rig from armature menu. Then activate the in front from object viewport display panel. Then scale it and move to side. Okay, but why I moved armature on side? Because we will use the skeleton as reference. So guys, on your right side there is a skeleton menu in which there will be layers in dot form. If square is blue, then layer will be active. You can right click and activate the layer. If you want to select multiple layers at once, then hold shift and right click. Here you can see different parts of bones as in different layers. Okay, hide the face bones by holding shift and right click. Because in this tutorial I will not show how to set up the face bones. For face there will be different video. If you show love in this video. Now add another Meta Rig. This will be our character armature. Then make new collection for our armature. Okay, now what is collection? For example, how mother keep different food material in different container in kitchen. So it is easy to find. Similar, in Blender there is container box in which we can add containers for different objects. Okay, now go in object properties on your right hand side and in viewport display turn on in front. By which we can see whole armature in front of any object. Then scale the armature by clicking S. Adjust roughly, like I am adjusting in video. Then go to armature properties and hide the face bones in layers panel. After hide all the clothes and accessories. Because first I will rig the body. Oh guys, where is body? Oh yes, I applied mask modifier. This modifier allow us to hide certain parts of body which are under the clothes. Which is very useful. Okay, now unhide our character armature from collection. Then select the armature and go to edit mode. And first thing you will do is activating the X mirror icon on your right hand. After this setup done, save your project. Okay guys, first adjust the armature in object mode before going into edit mode. In edit mode, first we will adjust hand. To rotate hand properly from shoulder, go to middle top of pivot section and choose active elements, which make the pivot to selected last. So select all hand bones and at last select the shoulder pivot. And you can rotate hand easily. And also turn on wireframe from overlay menu, which is very useful to know where to put bones joints, so it can easily move the object. Adjust hand roughly for now. Don't start adjusting fingers now. Later I will show you easy way. Now important note, use bones reference. Carefully adjust bones, don't lose the structure. See in video how I am adjusting. Now we will adjust finger. Don't worry, it is easy. Go to top middle and turn on magnet icon. And on his left side there will be panel. Open up and select volume. Okay, what is his work? When volume is enabled, bones automatically go in middle of mesh. You will see. Now hide the bones by clicking edge. And then start adjusting the finger. Watch carefully how I'm doing. Now, to check bone roll of finger. We will break the hand of reference skeleton. Okay, how to break hand? To do that, select all hand bones of reference skeleton. Then press P and select separate bones. We will take separated bones near our character armature hand bones and we will check bone roll. Now, we will correct the bones roll in edit mode. Our thumb's finger is not having correct bone roll. Because when you use volume, sometime it roll the bones. So, we can't use every time volume. That's the reason. And our others fingers are having correct bone roll. So we will not worry about them. Now, we will delete all face bones. To do that, select go to side view and select the head bone and down 2 bones. One neck and last top spine bone. And then press H to hide bones. After select whole face bones and press X to delete bones. Then go to your right hand side in armature running icon. And scroll down and in Rigify menu click on generate rig. Okay, what the mess? Why this happened? Oh guys, because we have not applied the scale. Then press Ctrl Z to undo. To apply scale, press Ctrl A and select All Transform. Now, if you generate rig, the problem will not occur. Then, select a first armature and press H to hide it, because we don't need now. Then select first body, then select generated rig and press Ctrl P and select automatic weight. Then select the rig and go to pose mode. But, before going into pose mode, in modifier panel make sure always keep armature modifier at top of every modifier. Then go to pose mode and check the head. There is problem, the chin is not moving with head. To fix this we will take help of weight paint mode. Then turn on in front of generated rig. And in armature properties turn bones layer. Then for going into weight paint mode, select first rig and then select body. And go to weight paint mode. Then to select the bones press Ctrl. Then fix the weight. Watch video carefully what I am doing. Paint carefully seeing the topology. Watch how I do and balance the topology of character. Okay guys, after fixing weight, turn off the bones layer. And we are done. Then go to pose mode and test the rig. To test fingers, in pivot menu select individual origin. By this we can rotate all finger at once perfectly. To move eyes with head, select the eyeballs in object mode. Then go to pose mode and select head bone. And press Ctrl P and select bone, which will parent eyeballs with head bone. Then you can move eyes with head. So guys, our rig tutorial is complete. If you will show love in this tutorial by giving like and sharing. In next tutorial I will show you how to rig clothes and shoes. Thank you, bye bye.